behalf of the Second International Conference on Peace and Conflict Resolution Committee, I thank Dr. V.R. Sampath, President, Madras Development Society, for organizing this enlightening conference and delivering the welcome address. I thank our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri M.K. Stalin, for sending best wishes for the success of the conference. I thank Honorable Law Minister, Sri S. Raghupati, for delivering the inaugural address, who remarked that resolution is a faster tool in justice delivery system. I thank Honorable Justice Bhaskaran, Chairman, Tamil Nadu Human Rights Commission, for chairing the session and delivering the special address on peace and conflict resolution, as well as the concluding note of this session. Thanks to Dr. Chandrika Subramaniam, Principal Solicitor and Barrister, High Court and Supreme Court of Australia, who shared her views on international mediation. I thank Honorable Justice Vimala, Member, State Law Commission of Tamil Nadu, for her insightful address on civil disputes and mediation and the amendment on institutional arbitration. We must agree with Justice Vimala that alternative dispute resolution, in particular arbitration, is one of the effective mode for speedy disposal of cases. I thank Dr. Joseph Bock, Director, School of Conflict Management and Peacebuilding, Kennesaw State University, United States, for sharing his thoughts that alternative dispute resolution can be a solution to resolve disputes between polarized nations. We look forward to a positive collaboration with the School of Conflict Management, Peacebuilding and Development at Kennesaw State University in the days to come. I thank Dr. Mukesh Katila, Professor of Global Health and Humanitarian Affairs, University of Manchester, UK, for his address on peacekeeping in view of the United Nations Charter and that countries should have self-reflection on their national policies in the international paradigm. I thank Dr. Jabamale Vinanciarchi, former Principal Advisor to UNIDO, Vienna, for his edifying address on vision and action in the UN and his remarkable efforts in alleviating poverty in the international arena, and his genuine efforts in identifying and progressing the life of a victim of conflict, which was truly inspiring. I thank Mr. Parthiban Shanmugam, lawyer, Atlanta, US, for his informative address on hybrid warfare with emphasis on Belarusian economy and the conflict between European Union and Belarus. I must say this, I was instrumental in monitoring the trade policy of European Union for every quarter for almost 4 years from 2011 as a project at the Center for International Trade and Economic Law's Jindal Global Law School in collaboration with the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade. Next, I thank Dr. Saravanan, Chairman, Central Law College Salem, for his address on the current issue of violation of human rights in Afghanistan after the Taliban takeover and the functioning of the United Nations in Afghanistan in promoting world peace. I thank Dr. Vijay Lakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Criminal Law, Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University, who was my professor at School of Excellence in Law, for her outlook on genocide and its wide ambit in terms of the Geneva Convention in relevance to armed conflict. I thank Mrs. Adi Lakshmi Logamurthy, Advocate, Madras High Court, for her opinion on mediation in family-related issues, that mediation is a better process in dispute resolution as it aims at a win-win situation. I thank Mr. Koshi O. Thomas, lawyer, New York, and President of the American Tamil Association, New York, for his valuable inputs on peace and peaceful negotiations in this conference. Thank you, Dr. Chakkalingam, cardiologist, for your ideas on peace of mind. Most importantly, special thanks to recipients of Mahatma Gandhi and Nelson Mandela International Award on Peace and Conflict, Ms. Ella Gandhi, the granddaughter of Mahatma Gandhi, and the institutional recipient, School of Conflict Management, Peacebuilding and Development of Kennesaw State University, Georgia, US. Last but not the least, thanks to all the viewers and participants of this intellectual conference, without whom this conference would not have been a success. Thank you, one and all.